In this tutorial, I will show you how to make this easy twisted light fibers in Photoshop. In no time, let's get started. Right-click on the image layer and select Duplicate Layer. Click on OK to duplicate the layer. Right-click and select Covert to Smart Object. Rename the layer to Twisted Light Fibers. Then go to Filter, Render, then select Fibers. Make the variance and strength as 16 and 4 pixels respectively, then click on OK. Click on the icon and make the blending mode as Hard Mix. Then click on OK. Go to Filter, Blur, then select Radial Blur. Make the amount as 100%. Then select Zoom, then click on OK. Go to Filter again, Blur, then select Radial Blur, then click on OK. Go to Filter, Distort, then select Twirl. Make the angle as 100%, then click on OK. Click on the Twirl icon, then select the blending mode as Lighten, then click on OK. Go to Filter, Distort, then select Twirl. Make the angle as -100%, then click on OK. Click on the Twirl icon, then select the blending mode as Lighten, then click on OK. Click on the design icon and select Brightness Contrast. Make the contrast as 80%. Click on the design icon and select Color Balance. Make the cyan red as +54, magenta yellow as +64, then yellow blue as +32. That is all for today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next week.